A dramatic day of testimony at a hearing in San Francisco for the man charged with attacking Paul Pelosi in a bizarre home invasion. The body camera footage and a 911 call played in court. KTVU's Christian Captain was in court today. He joins us now live. Christian, the court saw police footage of that attack.
Yeah, that's right. This was a hearing just where prosecutors had to show the judge that there was enough evidence to proceed to trial. The prosecutors, though, went all out, showing body cam video of the attack, talking to witnesses, even pulling out the very hammer used in that attack in the middle of court. San Francisco prosecutors wasted no time laying out their case against David Depape, the man accused of attacking Paul Pelosi with a hammer inside the home he shares with the Speaker of the House. First, playing Paul Pelosi's 911 call for help, and in a dramatic moment, prosecutors had one of the first officers to respond to the Pelosi home cut open an evidence bag and pull out the hammer used in the attack, then reenact how that attack happened. That same officer testified that David Depape and Paul Pelosi were both holding on to the hammer when the front door opened, and that Depape pulled it away and struck Pelosi just 17 seconds after that door opened. Prosecutors also played the body-worn camera footage from one of the officers as well. On the video, you could see Depape strike Pelosi in the head. Prosecutors also played an interview with the defendant, who, in his own words, said he was originally going to hold the speaker hostage, but would let her go if she, quote, told the truth. The district attorney's office says the evidence presented was for an audience of one, the judge, who determined there is enough evidence to proceed to trial.
We are pleased to announce that he was held to answer to all of the charges that were filed against him, which include attempted murder, residential burglary, assault with a deadly weapon, elder abuse, and threats to a public official.
Depape's defense attorney argued that there was no previous intent to harm Paul Pelosi. Rather, it happened in the spur of the moment, once officers arrived at the front door. Now Depape's team is preparing their defense.
It was a probable cause hearing. It went as expected. I've got no further comments today about the case. Mr. Depape's going to be fighting his case in court, not in the hallway.
One of the officers who talked with Depape the morning of the attack also says that Depape wanted to go after Governor Gavin Newsom, Hunter Biden, and the actor Tom Hanks, among others. Depape also said he did not expect to survive the encounters. He figured that he would be killed by responding officers. He is due back in San Francisco Superior Court December 28th.
Christian, Depape also faces federal charges. What's the status of that case?
Yeah, that's exactly right. He is facing a parallel case in federal court. Now, he's facing charges of assault on the family member of a public official and kidnapping charges there. His next court date in federal court is in February, Julie.
All right, something that we will be following. Christian, thank you.